Today, let's talk about inner beauty. Inner beauty starts with the person you are. It's not about the clothes you wear, the makeup you wear, or anything else like that. It's not about material possessions or whether you drive the best car. Inner beauty is about the person you are inside. Now, you can be beautiful inside and not look perfect outside. Or you can look perfect outside and not look beautiful inside. The one thing that I've found about inner beauty is if you feel better about yourself, then you feel better about the world around you. You are happier, you're more content with your job and the people you work with, and that you show a certain type of glow that people just naturally see and will be attracted to. That's my session for today. Thank you for watching. God bless.